I have turned into a cash hoarder.
What the?
Yes.
What are you stopped for?
Sometime will do that, won't it?
Yes.
How much cash have you hoarded?
Well, I've hoarded about
What the fuck's going on here? Why were you stopped?
Well, we'll talk about it when we come back from this break.
So we head out the front door, open the garage door, then I open the car doors, and we get in those car doors. Put my key in the ignition, and then I turn it sideways. Then we fasten our seat belts as we pull out the driveway.
Paid in advance, except for April, I paid late. Why did you pay late?
Oh, another car.
I didn't have the money on time to pay the rent. I'm a student. I was waiting for my benefits and my tax returns to pay April's month rent. On what date did you pay it? On April 20th?
A little less than a year. I'm working through the divorce now. So that's extra.
So part of what you've gone through, if you're unless you're I felt that they were awesome in both conditions, and I'm not just saying that. Once again, tire junkie. I would tell you if I thought,
Really?
well, it's a little bit of hype. No, I mean he's for scores, but yep.
And this one was just tremendous from start to finish. There were no controversial reviews, right? I mean, there were reviews, but they didn't overturn any close
Wow,
plays, which I think
that's the
maybe
dumbest
that's
one
the way
ever.
to do it. I mean,
Air speed, but air pressure and air pressure. And that's actually part of the name. Pressure is sometimes referred to as Q, so air pressure ball. The crew ran more than 140 experiments, but the mission wasn't without its challenges. Not only were there technical glitches,
Really?
the crew was tired after their grueling schedule, and
Gets paid, and you've had some good years.
Basically.
Yeah, that doesn't mean you sell your house.
Really?
What is your household income?
So right now it's about.
Oh, it's a bus. Bus is involved somehow. And that windshield is really smashed in. Holy shit. I guess the bus rear-ended that box truck. The guy takes 20 minutes to run the...
And one wipe, Chari, butt wipes. You will receive their executive razor, which includes their premium weighting
Really?
handle
You're not
and
gonna
full
move
cassette of cartridges. After the first box, replacement cartridges are sent for only a few bucks a month. This
a week away from pitches and catches, and spring training on its way. So I really like the move by the Mets. I think they're going to really. I think we're going to see Frazier be a lot better player than we think he is. I don't know what.
That he plays every game and decides who plays in every game based on matchups and putting his team in the best position to win, always doing what's right for the team. I cannot. There's no logical explanation right now as we know it rather. That he benched Malcolm Butler for the entire game on defense. It just doesn't make any sense unless there's just something else there.
Go!
And maybe that hurt the defense as well. I mean, obviously him not playing hurt it, but maybe also that was a big distraction to the defense that Butler didn't play. I mean, that could be, right?
Well, yeah. Apparently the captains of the team, I just read somebody's tweet that said the captains of the team were aware of it, but not sure when they were told. But apparently Eric Rowe was
the investigation team. There's a terrible twist to the tragedy. Investigators discover that United Airlines technicians made a routine inspection of the defective fan disc just 16 months before the crash. They're disturbed. The crack was on the fan disc surface. At the time of the inspection, the crack could have been close to 13.
If somebody took some video and snapped a quick picture, right? There's a chance something would surface that would show you up and expose you, right? And he is, as you say, doubling down and daring Belichick, okay, come with something then, show me. He's saying, I've been every night with my family. Is that true? That's what he said. Right. Okay.
Since it's the third time they're cutting off the electricity, this time they're going to take the meter
over,
off.
or what are you going to do?
that's going to cost us an extra
after you
$700
turn off the
to get
blinker, you move over. Really?
Morally or ethically wrong. You are not a man who is lacking in honor
what
by
the fuck?
Making almost double the money doing something he loves for his family.
Really? Douchebag. Go! What are you waiting? Oh, you idiots.
Activating the Apollo 12 mission. We're about 4 days from splashdown, so you can still come in and relive their return to Earth in real time with a 45-year time delay. Follow me at AST Vintage Space on Twitter for those updates, as well as all
You to sign up for $135,000 in student loan debt to go to law school. Lauren Adams, 25, who's too stupid to pass the bar. I mean, my God.
Whichever side held it, but he was told to only take it if practical. And since he was new to command himself, Yule decided that it wasn't very practical and held his men back to rest instead, giving the Union troops much needed time to dig in. Robert E. Lee's unclear order was among the first of many mistakes he would make. General Longstreet, Lee's second-in-command, could see the tactical disadvantage and sensibly pressed him to redeploy their army. The idea being that if they
learn how to
could
read the
south of the enemy and
signs.
threaten what
I'm good, Dave. How are you?
Better than I deserve. What's up?
Just wanted to ask you a question. I'm a divorced mom, 4 kids.
One guy yelled, you so-and-so-and-so's get off the street. John F. Kennedy is not playing in here tonight. Pulls out a
Off haircut. I'm sorry, look at that jag-off haircut. I'm gonna say, just side note to everything else.
That's a dumb move.
What does your look like? Is there any other kind of software can be direct transfer? Super easy to do. But before I start, let me just tell you guys that doing it this way, you can transfer your photos and videos to your computer.
Really?
Or not. You're not going to be able to go backwards.
Good luck, fellas.
Dave Ramsey crowd. And he prints
red light runner.
Picture of Jay-Z.
Would call us and ask us to do things. We didn't have the money, but just taking that first step, setting your products out and understanding that, you know, you've been doing it your way for however many years and you're not having success, you know, try it a different way.
And you brought the kiddos to celebrate with you. What are their names?
Where did you come from?
We had Xander.
18 months, including the sale
And
of the
then this
$60,000
guy.
rental, making 85 to 125. Count it down. Let's hear it down. Right. And of course, the 280 includes the mortgage that was paid off when you sold that.
We owed $215 on the house, and so then about $8,100 was a car that we had. It was nice on.
Come on!
Patriots was enough to make you want to throw up.
In New England, whether you think it's tainted or not tainted,
That's not how it
is
works.
like the worst Instagram photo you've seen of your ex pop up over and over and over again.
No, it happened so fast.
We're newly married and still just trying to kind of figure things out.
Are you self-employed?
I like this comparison, but honestly, just think of it as a bus stop. When a rider selects Pool Express, the app groups with nearby riders who are all going to destinations that are near each other. Uber then delivers a
Red light runner.
smart
That
spot
Hyundai.
for riders.
So how's that guy doing?
Long time, Mike, but you were otherwise occupied.
Thank you.
You had a job up there.
Here's what happened. I haven't been on the air at all.
What are you doing?
So, one of my board ops, Sal Licata, has been doing a show and he's been trying to get full-time
What are you
employment
doing?
station up there, WR, which carries the Mets.
a.m. and
you do anything else?
Go on his show. I hadn't done any broadcasts. I've done a couple of podcasts.